Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a RAM upgrade option for Lenovo laptops, a 16GB PC 5-5600B DDR5 SO-DIMM. Specifically, we're talking about a module that's compatible with Lenovo systems and operates at a speedy 5600 MHz. This SO-DIMM is designed to breathe new life into compatible laptops and even some desktops that utilize SO-DIMM slots. With 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, it offers a significant boost in performance compared to older or smaller capacity RAM modules. DDR5 technology brings faster data transfer rates and improved power efficiency, which translates to snappier application loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive computing experience. The 5600 MHz speed is a key factor here. It allows the memory to handle data-intensive tasks with ease, making it ideal for demanding applications like video editing, gaming, and running virtual machines. If you've been experiencing slowdowns or lag while working on these types of projects, upgrading to this RAM could make a noticeable difference. While this module is branded as generic, it's important to note that it's designed to meet the specifications required by Lenovo systems. Compatibility is crucial when it comes to RAM, and this SO-DIMM is specifically made to work with Lenovo laptops that support DDR5 SO-DIMM memory. Before purchasing, always double-check your laptop specifications to ensure compatibility. Look for the DDR5 SO-DIMM type and the supported speeds. Installation is generally straightforward, but it's always recommended to consult your laptop's manual or watch a tutorial video if you're not familiar with the process. Remember to power down your laptop completely and disconnect the power adapter before opening it up. In terms of performance, users can expect a noticeable improvement in various areas. Boot times should be faster, applications will launch more quickly, and multitasking will be smoother. The increased memory capacity also allows you to keep more programs and browser tabs open simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. For gamers, this upgrade can lead to higher frame rates and a more fluid gaming experience, especially in graphically demanding titles. Overall, this 16GB DDR5 5600 MHz SO-DIMM represents a solid upgrade option for Lenovo laptop owners looking to boost their system's performance. The combination of high speed and ample capacity makes it well suited for a variety of demanding tasks. Just be sure to verify compatibility with your specific laptop model before making a purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.